So today I just felt like using Smirnoff to bake bread. I was already feeling like seriously like trying to jazz up this bread. I even added 2 eggs to the mixture, so I just want to taste something different from the usual dinner rolls, just for actually a Mother's Day breakfast. It mixed thoroughly, and then the key thing I did here was I used a third of the yeast quantity. Normally I'll use like 1 tablespoon. I used 1 teaspoon here, and instead of rising for say an hour, I left it for 3.5 hours. Why? To develop the flavor. So once I rolled them into small balls, I left them for 3 hours, and this is what you get. Yep, they've doubled nicely. I left them for 3 hours because it was slow rising because of the little yeast I used, and that's great flavor.
So I decided to add rosemary spreads like my mom does, but in a different way to make it look like bunny ears. And then I added individual leaves of oregano in the middle, just to do a nice design. So okay, I'll put it into the oven now. And then this one has oats drizzled with honey on it. Done.
So we're bringing in the bread now. We actually like brown breads, so we left it in the oven to brown. Can I see the under? I can't see your sprigs of rosemary anymore. You can brush it with oil if you want. But we like our breads like this. Little oil, please. So I'm gonna eat this with some nice corned beef with fried eggs, scrambled. See, I told you, I'm eating this with Argentina, or authentic Argentina corned beef, which I can actually make by the way. That's the #1 brand. I'm going to make corned beef myself. You usually call buying briskets of beef to make it.